Okay, so trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of 23rd of April's market. All right, so let's go into the details right now. Okay, can y'all see my Dow Jones chart? Can you see that? Yes or no? Is it Dow Jones, Gladys? Yes, huh? Okay. All right, thank you very much. Okay, let's take a look at the market for this. So yesterday, the Dow Jones, as y'all see, the power of the crazy classic, yeah? The market opens here and the pivot one is here. So I said this thousand and thousand of time. When the market is above OP and above pivot one, that's called a classic buy signal. And of course, at the same time yesterday, the KSI was green. So it was a total full alignment, except that the KCX was a bit blue. So what happened? As long as the market stays above OP and above pivot one, no matter what you tell me, it's a buy. So look at the screen itself. The first target, obviously, it will be the MA30 as a first target. Then subsequently, it's a KCB over here itself. Okay, so that was a target for you to trade if you are on the long side of the market. Okay, so let's take a look what happened during the day. Okay, let's go. So first of all, during the day, the market was just sideways, and then it went to KTR plus one, then came back down to KTR minus one. Okay, and full. But what happened next is very incredible. The first diamond was here, and you place a line, you will see that the market nowhere exactly to stay above. Very interesting. Then after that, we have a few more diamonds, but the one that caught my attention is this guy here itself, because you can see the market was just ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, and on and off of the OP. But during this period of time itself, I noticed the boys are buying. Okay, maybe you are the boys. So when that all happened itself, right, you notice really the thing, what is does it do? Straight away after you have purchased and make the new diamond, straight away we can see that the market just went ballistic and went all the way up here. So to do the KTR plus one. So when that is happen, all right, that is good. That is good for the market that is having downside issue right now. But then again, you need to follow through the action. So again, that was another four diamond which you buy, and again, there was some profit given. But if you didn't get out of it, then I cannot say anything else. All right, because we said before, right, how you enter the market, your stop loss is based on where the diamond, the candle is. If this guy is a bit too short, right, then we can just do a simple remodeling and put it down to our next lower level here. There's nothing wrong, right? So what happened is that when the price goes up, once it touches the MA30, you can see the multiple green dots that's everywhere on your screen. Don't tell me you see it, you shiver, okay? That means that you don't understand. When you see the market trigger MA30 or MA200, remember something big is going to happen very soon. And that was exactly what I was fearing, either this way or this way, okay? But then again, I just feel that it was going down, so we just waited for it to come down, and the market came all the way down. So after that, when it came all the way down, what must you do? Same thing, the diamond itself, place it across the board and say that, okay, if the market basically goes down, it will be a sell, it will sell below OP, and everything's a sell, right? And even the KSL was calling for sell. So everything was sell. That's understandable. Then what happened? The market did not go much higher. In fact, after he said the thing here, the market just shoot up all the way and then hits the KTR again. Now, one thing to note, do you notice that there's no more diamond after that? So that is where you must do this, guys. When there's no more diamond, you just have to stretch this diamond all the way and just follow one simple mantra. Above the line, just buy. Okay, below the line, just sell. So it went crazy for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, because it's like buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But once it has sided, you can see the boys comes in, everything is intact, and the price had to fall. Okay, the price had to fall. Okay, so the thing is this, that's why it's very, very, very important to look at the MA30 and MA200, yeah? Okay, let's look at gold yesterday. You can see gold really succumb to selling because it was already below the OP, below the MLP, below the MLP2, below the pivot 2. That's why once the market opened, no chance was given, immediately it goes into the work itself. So let's see what happened during the day. So at the start, when the market come down very badly, a lot of people got hit. We already shared this yesterday in the A book versus B book video. Then after that, we have the diamond come out, right? Then you just have to draw a line. Oh. So yeah, so you see you draw a line properly. Oh my God, you can see the strong support that the market gave. And from there, boom, all the way to KTR plus uh zero. Because this one KTR minus one, that's zero OP to KTR minus three, sorry. So when it recover, it's go back to OP level. But once hit OP level, right, no strength, and then it pull back down again. And subsequently, if you draw your arrows again, you will see the selling. Sometimes it's a fake upside, sometimes it's a real buy side. So you cannot miss, yeah. So remember that all these, once you have the diamond, you just make sure that you trade accordingly. If the market has a diamond and you still don't know what's going on, right, then that will give us yourself very serious trouble, yeah. So after that, right, when gold came down quite a fair bit already, then someone asked me, Kel, can we buy gold right here now? It's really low end. I said that, why do you think so it's low? Because he says that the market already come down so much, ma. And I said, no, let's wait for a while. Then after that, there's a diamond again, and she was very excited. Say, okay, let's buy it now, buy it now. I said, can you wait for a while? Draw the line. Then that's where line was being drawn. And then after that, we can see very clearly the market just turned into a sell instead below the line. And after that, the market just zoom all the way down to the price of 32.60. All right, that's a lot of money. 32.60 drop all the way. Okay, then after that, we can see the gold stabilize. All right, stabilize. Okay, so here you want to buy, you can buy. Here you sell, you can sell. But once market stays above it, then of course you just can only be a buyer. You cannot be a seller. Okay, all clear? If all clear, press the next number, number 7. Okay, guys, so that will be the end of your thing. Nasdaq is the same thing. There's nothing much change. You just have to see that if the diamond is there, then rest sure, then just have to draw a line across it since until the next diamond appear, and then tell them to briefly take note. Then same thing again. If the name is here, the stock market is calling for buy. Okay, but remember at the peak of this thing, when the market turns from yellow to red in those significant places, right, big places, then you must allow this to happen. Yeah. So when you're buying at the start, you buy, but once you break only, you just really must sell already. You cannot wait for it to like come down, confirmation and blah blah blah. No need. Once you sell something, as long as the line is there, you just have to sell. Okay, all clear? If all clear, press number 8 right now, and that will be all for today's session. Now today there will be, I believe the volatility will be there. So be very careful. Watch out for that itself, right? Trade accordingly. I will be mostly online today to support you guys, and hopefully you can make money from the market. All right, guys, that will be all for today. Thank you very much. Take care and have a great day for trading. Bye.